Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning webcast. Daily chart. We talked yesterday about support. Once they got through this 43 resistance area, they made support here at the daily mid-band, and that was Friday. Now you've seen some follow through to the upside, which is what we were talking about yesterday. Just this steady drip to the upside, and before you know it, you're up trading at or near not only upper band, but if it keeps up, at or near the all-time highs, up at 28.78 and change. So the bears yesterday morning, they had an opportunity. We actually came in, we shorted it initially from about 57.5, but once it got down into our proprietary lower level, which was at 51.25, it just couldn't do any more. It bounced off of there. We got up into, call it 57 to 59, and we hung out there the vast majority of the day, which is what these summer Mondays can do. There was nothing that happened yesterday in the way of price action that surprised us. There are going to be, it is late August. The market is going to take days off. And when the market takes a day off, any frequency of your trading needs to take the day off too. We did 3 trades yesterday. Three. And actually 2 setups, 3 trades. Got stopped out at 1, did the short, and we did a long at 56.5 with a risk marker at 54.5. That never got violated even overnight. So I've taken some profits, 56.5. We are still long against that 54.5 marker. And it's just a situation where if the market doesn't want to move a ton, then you don't need to jump in and out of the frequency of your trading as though the market was trading at, this incredible level of volatility. You need to slow down too. Market doesn't want to trade real fast. You don't have to trade real fast. Market wants to take a long time to determine whether setups are going to be right or wrong. Then you have to sit in them and wait and be patient until the market figures out whether they're right or wrong. That's just that's the way it goes. I have always used August as a time. We've always had very good August, but at the same time, it's also time to get ready for the fall. Look, September is going to hit. Labor Day is going to hit. We're going to get into the second week of September, and the starting bell is going to ring again. Although it's been a very volatile summer, you cannot argue that it's been a slow summer at all. It's been a fantastic, profitable summer. But fall, it's going to ramp up even more. September, October, November, big trading months. Always big trading months. They rival January, February, March, April. Okay. Let's look at the hourly chart. Just a series of new highs. A couple higher lows yesterday. And this is a new high as well. A couple higher lows, and you can just see it just dripping higher. These little consolidations and a pop. Little flag, and we pop. We're steady overnight. It's just a steady climb to the upper band. It's the kind of price action where if you fight it, you find yourself going nuts because you're not really losing handles at that high of a frequency, while at the same time, you're just kind of slowly bleeding a position. They tried to take out the hourly mid-band yesterday, but didn't happen. Hourly mid-band today comes in at 59 and change. You can see the weekly pivot way down there at 37.75. Daily mid-band is at 39, so they're both kind of nestled together. They're down there at 37.39. Your daily pivot coming in right around 50, right around 56. You can see what the bears would need to do to get through. And I'm not saying they can't do it, but what I am saying is that this becomes kind of a lackadaisical environment where we're going to trade a little bit, then we're going to shelf, then we're going to trade a little bit, we're going to put it on a shelf. That absolutely favors the bulls. Absolutely favors the bulls. And until the bears get some kind of a spark, whether it's news or something else, to really go ahead and shake this market out of this sleepy drip higher, we're going to go on a sleepy drip higher. So you can sit it out if you want. You can be in it like we are, but don't fight it. Don't fight it. It is an awful way to lose money. one nickel at a time, basically. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. I was in and out yesterday running around, so I didn't have a chance to do the midday update, although it would have just been me sitting here saying the market isn't doing anything right now, so everybody just chill out. So I will, one way or the other, I will do a midday update today, do some more stuff on social. I will catch everybody then, and until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.